Markets are under pressure and the macro picture is getting complicated. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your India market briefing for July 7th. We cover the Nifty 50, Sensex, Bank Nifty, and the stocks dominating headlines today. Let us start with a snapshot of the Indian equity markets today. Starting with the Nifty 50, India's benchmark large-cap index. Nifty 50 is trading lower by -0.31% at 24,354 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that European stocks rally to cap best week since May, markets wrap. With Nifty 50 moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $24,963 level above and $23,745 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. The Sensex, tracking India's 30 largest blue-chip companies. Sensex is broadly flat at 78,246 Indian rupees, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Equity markets are responding to reports that European stocks rally to cap best week since May, markets wrap. The Bank Nifty, India's banking sector barometer, is closely watched by traders as a leading indicator for the broader market. Bank Nifty is trading lower by -0.27% at 58,135 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that MetLife Inc. focuses on insurance and financial services while investors watch long-term fundamental. Bank Nifty is in a consolidation phase, a pattern that can precede a significant directional break. Watch the $59,298 resistance and $56,972 support as the boundaries of the current range. Now let us look at the stocks making headlines in India today. Infosys is up +2.85%, trading at 1,071.90 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500, NASDAQ set for higher open as chip shares recover, the mighty 790 FTSE. The Cobalt AI deal pipeline is growing, but revenue conversion takes 6 to 12 months. Near-term earnings momentum depends on existing account mining. Watch for any guidance revision commentary ahead of the quarterly earnings. The whisper is that the management has become more conservative than warranted. Reliance dipped -1.23% to 1,305 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that European stocks rally to cap best week since May, markets wrap. Jio's 5G ARPU growth is the near-term catalyst as users migrate to higher value plans. The revenue per subscriber inflects upward. The retail segment is the largest in India and growing steadily. Watch for any update on the new energy gigafactory ramp, which represents the decade-long upside but requires patience. Now let us look at the macro backdrop for Indian markets. The rupee is strengthening against the dollar, trading at 94.96. A softer rupee compresses margins for import-heavy sectors like oil, consumer goods, and airlines, while IT exporters like TCS and Infosys benefit. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Foreign institutional investor flows are the near-term swing factor. Any risk-off in global markets tends to amplify selling pressure on Indian indices given the high FII ownership in Nifty 50 constituents. The biggest mover in India today is Infosys. Infosys is up +2.85%, trading at 1,071.90 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500, NASDAQ set for higher open as chip shares recover, the mighty 790 FTSE. Operating margin trajectory toward the 19 to 21% target is back on track. The risk is North America financial services softness. Any new large deal announcement, particularly in European manufacturing, would be a meaningful catalyst given the diversification it signals. Before we wrap up, here is your watch list for the sessions ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We cover every major global market, every single day. If this kind of daily, actionable analysis is useful to you, please support us with a like and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds and it means a great deal to this channel. Share this with anyone who invests or trades, they will thank you for it. Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is your India market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of Indian and global markets.